Hello and welcome back to Flaming Hot Boys.
What's up? And today we are going to make a dish who everybody remembers, especially when you run out of the club or pub and you're really fucked up. And today it is all about chicken kebab. Chicken. And we're going to make a chicken kebab from the Joetisserie. It's the first time we're going to use it and I'm very excited.
Me too.
Yeah?
Me too.
I can't wait to eat that kebab sandwich, man. What do you prefer, a wrap or a sandwich?
For now I will choose the bread.
The bread, yes, Turkish bread. So let's get it started.
Your favorite part of the show. Here we go. Kill shot, yeah.
Let's go. Delicious.
It's getting warm.
Delicious. For the chicken kebab, take a large bowl and combine 2 cups of yogurt, the juice of half of a lemon, 3/4 cup of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of salt. Also a tablespoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of ground coriander, a tablespoon of paprika powder and a tablespoon of cumin. Follow it up with 1 tablespoon of Thai chili pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Take your pound and flat chicken thighs and add them to the bowl with the combined ingredients. Cover it up and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour or overnight. Put some Kamado Joe big blocks to the barbecue and heat up the barbecue up to 180 degrees Celsius.
For the garlic sauce, take a big bowl and combine 200 grams of crème fraiche, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, juice of half of a lemon, 2 teaspoons of parsley, 2 teaspoons of chives, 1 teaspoon of sugar, season it with salt and pepper and add 3 garlic cloves and mix it all together. Refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. Take the skewer from the rotisserie and use a half of a big onion as the base. Skewer the thighs individually. Place the skewer on the Kamado Joe and grill it for 1.5 to 2 hours until the core temperature reaches 75 degrees Celsius.
So, how's it going with the onion stand?
Really good, really good.
But I've got also a challenge for you because a couple of weeks ago you had a challenge for me.
What is it? What is it?
I've got a spoon cinnamon for you.
What the fuck? No man, fuck you.
Come on.
What is it?
You're like a tough boy, right? So
You also take it.
no, you fucked me over with the Tabasco shot. So this is my payback to you.
Why do I need to eat this?
Let's go. You need to finish it, the whole spoon. Yes.
I'm hungry.
Yeah,
I'm hungry.
So delicious.
I want to eat it.
This is our chicken kebab. Yes.
Chicken?
Yeah, chicken kebab sandwich.
Yeah.
I think it looks pretty decent, like from a Turkish restaurant, right?
Yeah. Can we eat it now?
Yeah, we can eat it. Which one do you want? So we cut it.
Yeah, just take this one.
Okay.
Oh.
Here we go, man.
Should I make you jealous? Look at It's amazing.
Well, cheers, bro.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It tastes even better when you're so hungry.
I'm not gonna lie. I think this is the best chicken kebab I ever had. It's not that we made it, but
Me too.
this is the best chicken kebab. If you don't have a rotisserie at home, you can also do it like on a skewer in the oven. But if you have a rotisserie, do it because it's worth it. So we're gonna finish this and we'll see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our
Instagram and Facebook. But now I'm gonna eat this. I don't want to talk to you anymore. I'm gonna eat this.
Bye bye.